viewers, today I will going to show you how to delete the video which you have uploaded into your YouTube channel. Probably there might be a chance like you might have uploaded the wrong video to your channel, or else which you have uploaded has to be removed due to some issues. So in such cases, from YouTube only you can go and delete your video from your channel. Let me show you how to do that. So you have to open the YouTube app, and then there you have to go to your profile, and then there you're able to see your channel. So open that one. So inside of that you're able to see the libraries option at the end below. So you click on library option. There you can see the list of videos which you have uploaded. So probably now I'm thinking to delete the first video which I have recently uploaded. So in such cases, so I just need to click on the three dot buttons at right side of the video, and then you will be getting the list of options. So there you can edit, or you can share video, or else you can save it for the playlist, and you can edit with the advanced settings in studio also. And you do have delete option here. So from here you can delete your video which you have uploaded wrongly, or you are wishing to delete from your channel. So in such case you just click on the delete. So it will ask for cancel or delete options. If you really wish to delete that video, then you can click on the delete. So you can see it here. Within some time it will be automatically deleted from your channel. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.